Okay, 4 pi r squared, and then it's got to be kelvins, and there we have it, right? Okay. So put that one in your notes. Our sun has a surface temperature of about 5,787 kelvins, a radius of that many meters. What is its luminosity? Well, what did you say? There we go. I think I can go all the way out to here. So we can just take this formula out here. It's 5.67 times 10 to the minus 8. Is that what it is? It's always sad to get these wrong. And this is watts per square meter, Kelvin to the 4th, right? Okay. The area is 4 pi, and then we got to do 6.96 times 10 to the 8th, right? Squared, right? And then we have to go 5,787 to the 4th, right? So it's Stefan Boltzmann. So I think that's a sigma, lowercase sigma, 4 pi r squared t to the 4th. Yeah. 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 Not the capital S-O-N sun, though. Lowercase S-U-N. That's like a religious joke. Okay, 5.67 e to the minus 8th. There you go. Eat coffee. All right, are we here at donuts? He needs donuts. Okay, are we ready for this?
There's got to be a way.
I'm getting 3.87. Don't do that. Let me think about it. No. They're sort of down on like students going off campus during time that you're supposed to be in class. So notice that the units. Yeah, but no.
I have a license. I could drive his car and say I'm going home. My friend.
Right.
Even better. I have an excuse. I need to get more food.
Yeah, but see, I know about this, so.
You don't?
Okay.
We give you
Do you see that the kelvins are canceling? That's crazy. Do you see that the meters cancel? What unit are we left with? What unit?
What?
The unit we're left with.
What?
That's what I'm asking.
Andrew.
You guys ready to try this?
Oh yeah.
The star has a radius of 5. We have only one sig fig here, right? Apparently my answer has 2, but this thing has only 1, right?
Terrible.
A luminosity of 4.2 times 10 to the 26 watts. Luminosity. Thank you. If I get an obvious laugh for a stupid joke, I'll repeat it. I represented a faculty member who was being taken to task by our administration for, a previous administration for allowing kids to go home and come back. I know.
Oh,
That's why
All
I'm,
I'd say is,
there you go.
all I'd say is just watch indoors by the choir room in the mornings. And yeah, I don't think it'll be doing some things every now and then lately. Oh, that's right.
Did I get it? Yeah, good.
This one's like the hardest one. You got to take a, that's right. You have to take a quadic root or something like that. That's right.
I did something wrong.
Yeah.
I did something wrong.
Lord knows what you did wrong. Okay, so L.
Does he really?
No, that's not the right answer.
So luminosity over sigma times area raised to the 1/4 power is T, right? I think it's always best to like solve it. So then I'm going to go 4.2, parenthesis 4.2, E26, divided by parenthesis 5.67, E minus 8, times 4 times pi times 5E8, right parenthesis, raised to the 0.25.
This would be the only time though. Why not between
Because you haven't had a donut yet.
Yes.
There you go.
Are donuts bad?
Vous avez
I don't know.
trompé.
I was expecting duck neck. Now my dream
That,
and
that,
hopes
made,
have been trampled.
that was making my Friday very nice.
How would you say it with a future tense? Je suivrai. Je suivrai.
Okay, I would.
Je suis, I follow. I know. Suivre is the verb. It's an RE verb.
You're in the trunk. Is it?
Je vais suivre. Yeah, that's the simple. I'm going to take. But how would you say I will take?
I will.
Je suivrai. Je suivrai le cours de physique de. De. Just de. Huh? Mais les IBII physique 1 vais suivre. I'm just teaching them useful phrases that they might use if they go to France or Germany.
Give me a croissant.
Ich werde IB Physics 2 nehmen. I will take IB Physics 2.
Are you making all your physics ones people say that?
No. Well, I mean, it's just a for example. I mean, you could put any course name in there, right? I will take basket weaving or something useless. Yeah. I will take cake eating, right? But why give them such poor examples when there's a really good example?
I will take.
I would take
Get really
cake
angry.
eating off of that.
Which
Donut is like the end of me.
cake eating? Yes, I would take advanced cake eating though.
What physics class should we take after this?
Just sit there and say it over and over again.
In college, it's up to you. You could test out of your the first physics class that they give you, but there's advantages to taking it, right? One advantage being that you catch anything. It's always good to have it again, right? And it would give you an easier class to have. I mean, if you're going to go be a physics major or something like that, right? It would give you one of your classes would be easier, I would think, right? And then the other thing is is oftentimes they don't let you do that because they don't trust that I did a good job, which I probably didn't. So
Well, they'll usually let you test, and if you do well enough on the test, then they'll let you go.
yeah, I mean, you might be able to skip like the
Intro.
first the mechanics. The first semester that I did was just mechanics. Everything. I mean, but all of mechanics that we did last year till March, they do that, and they'll finish up in December, right? So it's kind of fun. I mean, some of the labs are fun. But oftentimes, I mean, if you don't take that first sequence, they don't offer, at least my college didn't, in the fall, the second course isn't offered the first semester.
They don't.
Because nobody who's taking it, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Are we ready for the next one? Oh, hey, that's enough whiteboards of that one. Okay. Now you've got this concept. Obviously, we got a ton of formulas, right? Now we've got this concept. I'm going to put this on this line, right? That area is 4 pi r squared. Isn't that a weird thing that the area of a sphere is 4 times the area of its cross section? Who'd have thunk it?